Hello, we're back with the ever clean Christian. I mean, look here now. So we were just having a conversation. Anyways, we'll tell you about that. Imagine traveling to the grill on an adventure and your pants waist start squeeze, or like extra your calf them a squeeze you, or your shoes start get tight, and when you get to the grill, all the anticipation disappears because your outfit just never fit right. Well, we've invited Christia, our very good friend, consultant stylist at My Repeat Offender, Miss Franklin herself, to give us a few lessons on comfortable travel outfits. Comfortable and stylish. Because you know, sometimes, we don't necessarily, you don't want to just put on a pair of jeans and a shirt.
Yeah, you have
people
to add cuteness into it, yeah.
Right.
You gotta be fashionable while doing
darling.
it.
And you, of course, know fashion from top to bottom. So, let's get started. How do you determine what to wear where?
So when you're going to the beach, you just really want to be comfortable. You want some bottoms that can easily pull off, so you can just go straight into the water. You want a hat to cover yourself from the sun. You just want to be cute but still comfortable.
All right, so let's see the first example of that. Let's see cute but comfortable heading to the beach.
Yes. So if you have your bikini under it, you can wear a strapless bikini under that.
Nice.
It's an elastic waist short, can easily pull it off. You have your bag to put all of your things in.
What a way she make up for
Right?
the beach. That's nice. So you can wear your bikini under this and you're still comfortable.
Yes, because you don't want to change that waste time. As you reach, you just want to drop it straight into the
That's a
water.
very cute outfit though. I like that. That's very nice.
You know, I bring the cute stuff.
Yes, I love it. And of course, look at for shade your face from the sun.
Yeah, which also adds some style to it
Yes,
as well.
very stylish. Love that. That's so my outfit. Love that.
Okay.
Love that outfit. So thank you, my beach goddess. And who do we have next?
Next, we have, if you're going to a hotel.
Hotel,
So,
as in like a little one-night stay over?
Yeah, if you're going to the hotel in Montego Bay or in Ocho Rios, you can just wear this as a cute dress. You're still fashionable, you're still photo ready, you're still comfortable at the same time.
So let's see our hotel wear or resort wear.
Resorts. So it's festive, you know, it's colorful, it's bright, it has all sorts of stuff on it. It's a cute little bag.
You could work with this on the road too, though?
Yeah, you can.
Because this look, oh, okay. That's why it's resort where it's nice and hot and sexy and stuff for the road. This is nice. I love this.
Yeah,
but
and it's colorful and
vibrant.
vibrant. We know you're ever stylish, so of course.
No. See me a man in time when we get off on the road.
We don't believe you. We don't believe you. We don't believe you.
People see me. Them don't say sometimes it's just like, look here now, I go back into my bed. So, but yes, this outfit is very nice and very fitting. Where else could we wear this to?
As you said, you can wear it on the road. You can wear it on a Sunday if you're going on the road. You can wear it to even some events, some daytime events. You can wear it to even breakfast parties. You can wear it to all those things.
Pull down a little bit. Sorry. No problem.
Yeah, so you can always wear it to breakfast parties. You can wear it on Sunday. If you're just going out with your friends, you can wear it to dinner, brunch.
Nice. I love this outfit.
Repeat your clothes.
Wonderful. Me name repeat my clothes because I be by them. Me by them. I don't know, can't tell me. So you see that already. All of Instagram and Facebook wear it 100 times. Never it again. Okay. Next up we have?
We have if you're going on like a hike. So you're going to Blue Mountain with your friends and you still want to be cute.
What is the go up on Blue Mountain?
Yes! No, we have to be cute.
No, all right. Mama ask Extol. Extol, you're going to be my consultant. It not call up there.
That's why we have the long sleeve.
Extol said we're going to take her up on the trail. But that's what I was asking, if it not cold.
We're doing it in the summertime.
So you can wear this and put a jacket over it because it's still going to go
Or
cold.
a shirt under it, but
Ah, there you go. So
still cute, right?
Yes. But you know what I love about all of these outfits?
What?
These outfits are not only comfortable, but you can rock them on the road. Like you can get up on the side, so you go up on the road and you can just
you can wear that to travel as well.
Yeah. So whether it be Mobile to the beach or not, that can work out.
And you have your little
One
backpack.
up a Blue Mountain and then there's a backpack and belly skinny and goodie. That's right.
We're young.
That's right.
We're keeping it young.
Young.
Forever
Who's
young.
next?
Lastly, we have if you're actually traveling on a plane now, if we're going international. Yes.
If you're going to Ochi, you can.
If you're flying to Ochi.
Here we go. Let's see our plain wear, our comfortable. Yes.
Comfort she's ready.
With our carry on.
She is ready. You want to be
Yes.
comfortable, you still want to be stylish.
Yes.
You want your cute carry-on, you want your tote bag to keep all of the things that you need, your passports and so forth. But you still want to be cute.
Yes. Do you know what I have discovered because of a bit of traveling that I've been doing lately?
What's that?
Shoes where you slip on, that's your best bet. Anything where your foot can just come out as slippers, and then you can wear your socks in it if you feel like it.
If you feel like it. If you're
Always
traveling
carry
far,
a
wear
jacket.
sneakers. Exactly, or a
Always
sweater.
carry a jacket. Or
And
a
this one has a
sweater.
little style to
Yes,
it, you
me
know.
like the little sweater thing. And you know what else I realized? Nothing with any metal on it. So you see like our pants are not jeans and our t-shirt is soft. It's always a good bet.
And she has her bag to put all the things, so
Yeah,
nothing in
man,
your
she
pockets.
crisp like biscuit. No
Goes
stress.
straight through TSA.
No stress whatsoever. Yes, goody, you're ready for the plane. Can we ask all our models to come on out so we can have a look at all our travel goddesses? They are about to take the road. Where is that, the road?
The road.
The
Hard.
road. Yes. Yeah, Blue Mountain. Yeah. Blue Mountain. Okay, what are any final tips for us when we're going traveling in terms of outfits?
Always be comfortable. You still want to be cute, but remember your comfort comes first. You need to be comfortable. If you're not comfortable, you're not going to look confident in what you have on at all. So you always want to travel as comfortable as possible, but still be cute.
Yes,
Why
I
not?
like it. That's how we like to dress. And one more thing before we go, we have a little announcement.
Yes, I brought my dog. So my dog has been missing from Boxing Day. It's from the Ligani area. She's a Shih Tzu. She goes by the name of Misty. We're offering a reward if you find her as well, and there's a calling number. We just really want our dog
Guys,
home.
we don't care about Misty. Please, we don't give
Please, pretty please.
This is her child.
Yes.
So, I mean, please care about Misty. Okay.